Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm before you to present a lecture talk on incomplete dominance. Okay, now let us understand what is this incomplete dominance, which is a deviation from a mentalism. Okay, what is this incomplete dominance? It is a condition in a heterozygote, that is hybrid, wherein a dominant allele fails to mask the phenotypic expression of a recessive allele completely. As a result, an intermediate phenotype is produced in the hybrids. Okay, so this information is supposed to give for the incomplete dominance. Okay, now let us go through the example of this incomplete dominance. And the anterior or snapdragons is an best example for the incomplete dominance, a deviation from amendalism. When homozygous plant producing red flower is crossed with the homozygous plant producing white flower, we can understand the concept of incomplete dominance. Okay, here when we cross these two plants, the F1 hybrid produces pink flower. Okay, that is the intermediate between the two parents. What our Mendel said that when we cross the two parents of homozygous, that F1 will resemble with their parents. But in this case, what happens in F1 hybrid, instead of producing white or red, they have produced the pink flower. That is the intermediate between the two parents, which is quite deviation from Mendel's laws or Mendelism. The F1 hybrids were allowed to self-pollinate and produced F2 offsprings in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 1 for red, pink and white flowered plants respectively. Thus, there is a deviation from 3 is to 1 ratio to 1 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, we got phenotypic ratio in the Mendel's monohybrid cross, that is 3 is to 1. Whereas here we got the deviation, that is phenotypic ratio from 3 is to 1 to 1 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, here you can make out the phenotypic condition. It is a red flower and this is the white flower. When these two were crossed, we got here the pink flower. So red capital RR, here small rr. When we crossed, we got the gamete capital R and small r, and we got here the F1 generation, that is capital R and small r, which is the pink color, which is the intermediate of between these two red and white flower. After F1 F2 generation, that is F1 is crossed with the F1 or self-fertilization, we got here the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 1 ratio of the phenotypic condition. Okay, so this are crossed, we got here capital RR, which is the red, capital R and the small r, this is the pink, small r and capital R, this is the pink intermediate between the two colors. Then small r and small r, we got here the white flower. Okay, so this is the cross of incomplete dominance. A, a snapdragon flower, that is pink flower, as a result of cross pollination between red flower and a white flower when neither the white or red allele are dominant. Okay, it means that is the slight deviation from the Mendelism. Genotypic ratio we got 1 is to 2 is to 1 ratio, whereas phenotypic ratio was also 1 is to 2 is to 1 instead of 3 is to 1, what was explained by Mendel. Okay, here also you can make out to this particular cross. First right parent phenotype, red crossed with the white, then genotype capital R and crossed with small r. Take out the gamete for homozygous single gamete, right? Single gamete. F1 generation we got capital R and small r. This is the hybrid, that is the intermediate or recombinants of these two parent, that is pink, slight deviation. Okay, it means this pink is not resemblance with their parent, that is the incomplete dominance. It means red or white, both color or alleles are unable to express themselves. Okay, then self-pollination R, that is F1 crossed with F1. This RR crossed with the RR. Let us take the gametes. RR, this R crossed with this one. We got RR. This R crossed with the small r, RR, 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 and this RR crossed with this one. So we got here the red flower, then intermediate, that's hybrid heterozygous. These are the pink. Okay, that is the intermediate or recombinant, that is the pink, and this is the white. So phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio both expressed in the form of 1 is to 2 is to 1. So that was the deviation from the Mendel's laws and Mendelism. Then let us go through the discussion. F1 hybrids show incomplete dominance or partial dominance with no phenotypic resemblance to either parents, red or white. This is because neither red color flower nor white is dominant, right? But each allele has its influence in color development and the hybrid appears in pink. Okay, that is about the incomplete dominance. It means the what are the dominant character of the red or white is there, they are unable to express. Instead, we got there a partial dominance. Okay, this is all about the incomplete dominance. Thank you for watching.